So now let's have few words about administration and consumption of probiotics. As we earlier discussed about the potential benefits of probiotics, let's see what are the forms in which they are available in the market. They can be present in traditional fermented food products. Uh, they can be specialized food products, or they could be pharmaceuticals that claim to have certain probiotics in them and having the functional properties or functional benefits, or in other words, health promoting benefits that can be achieved by consumption of these products. So, looking at these traditional fermented food, lactic acid fermented food of plant or animal origin, this is where most of the fermented foods are. They do come from. They have to be they can be consumed in raw form or uncooked form. For example, many of the pickles or maybe some of the yogurts as well. Uh, and they would have the probiotic potential because the lactic acid bacteria or LAB, this is generally how we write it. This LAB would have ability to survive and it would be able to pass through the acidic condition of stomach and they can reach to the intestine when they are still alive. So if they have this property, then these are the good examples of fermented foods that anchor all the health benefits to the consumer. So if you look at the food products that claim to have probiotics and they are sold to have this benefit of having probiotics, there could be a lot of new kinds of food products available in the market. Lots of new developments happening in this area as well. So we might see a lot of novel food products in the market claiming to have more probiotics in them, especially the probiotic yogurts. So you would see that many of the yogurts available in the market claiming to be having probiotic benefits. Similarly, we can have certain nutritional supplements in the form of capsules or tablets. They are also available. They are sold as nutritional supplements in the form of tablets or capsules, and they are again claiming to have benefits of probiotics. Similarly, there are a lot of cereal based food products as well that claim to have prebiotics added into those foods, and the prebiotics are the components or the chemicals or food additives or food components that actually helps to maintain this balance of probiotics within the GIT tract. So actually they favor the growth of probiotics. So the third type of probiotics available in the market, it is in the form of pharmaceuticals. They are again the viable microorganisms that are selected after a lot of research for their specific functional benefits or health improving benefits. They can be administered in the form of capsules. They can also be provided or they can also be sold in the form of microencapsulated lyophilized powders. So they are basically freeze dried powders. They can be sold in the form of sachets or they can be sold in the form of capsules or in any other form as a pharmaceutical products available on pharmacies. We have seen a large number of new products coming into the market which are dairy based because dairy is very much an ideal substrate for most of the lactic acid bacteria. But there can be other examples such as the non-dairy examples such as fermented meat products claiming to have probiotics, vegetables and fruit juices and their products that claim to have probiotics added to these products just to increase their nutritional value or functional value and to capture more market to attract more consumers to buy such products as well. Then similarly, there's a wide range of potential substrate that can be used for production of these probiotics. So there has been a lot of research in this area as well, that there are new substrate are being tried to produce more novel strains of probiotics that can be used for commercial production of these probiotics, so that new products can get into the market, and then they can claim some part of the market as well. So they are again different conditions uh, present within the food as well as processing of food products that would challenge the functional property of microorganisms or these probiotics, because uh, we don't have to use every raw product to have these probiotic. Most of the commercial products or the products that are produced in factory settings, they have to undergo certain harsh treatments, maybe temperature or pH or storage or other factors that can be harsh for these probiotics. So these would add up to challenge for these probiotics to perform their functional properties. So there has to be a lot of research as well in this area. And similarly, as I said, because this is a hot area in the market where the large number of food products being functional are sold very well in the market. So that's why we can expect a lot of new food-based probiotic products coming into the market and sharing the potential of the market because of the health benefits that are claimed to be achieved by using these probiotic products.